Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today I am so freaking excited. We're gonna unbox the Lookfantastic box. It's March, it's gonna be spring. I am so excited for spring. It's my favorite time of the year, and I don't know, I'm just in a good mood today. I have a good day, so let's start unboxing. Opening up the lid, inside it says, "Get ready to steal the spotlight." Ooh, okay, sounds good. I love the way the box looks, by the way. We got the booklet, but as y'all know, prices are not mentioned in the Lookfantastic box. We've got the Elle magazine, which I don't read, and now, ooh, the paper is purple. Nice. Okay. Whoa! I see something so freaking exciting. Oh my God. Okay. The inside of this month's box. Okay, I'm gonna start with the thing that I'm so freaking excited about. I cannot believe it, but Morphe. Morphe, as y'all know, the memes online. This is that the name Lend the Rules? No, it's Spark, isn't it? It's a highlighter. So freaking excited. Okay, so this is what that little packaging looks like. I think this is not a full size, I believe. I'm not really sure. Honestly, I don't even care if it's a full size or not. I'm gonna rip this box because y'all know me and boxes. We have a hate relationship. Okay, got it out of the box. Is it sealed? No, it's not. Oh, it looks so freaking gorge. Okay, this is the color, and hopefully the camera will pick that up. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna dip my finger in there. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is so freaking pretty. Oh my goodness. It's got like a golden sheen to it, and I'm so freaking excited for that. I love gold tones and warm tones. Usually, I also wear a lot of coral blush on my face, so I am extremely excited about this. I love it. Moving on to, ooh, something from Rituals. Holy cow, this box is amazing. This is the Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. This is a soothing hand balm, cherry blossom and rice milk. This is what that little sucker looks like, and honestly, I'm not going to get it out of the seal just yet because I have a lot of hand creams in usage already. I need to finish those up first, and then I'll crack open this one. But still amazing that we have a Rituals product in here. Okay, moving on to Smart. Oh, this feels ridiculously light. Madara Organic Skincare Smart Anti-Pollution Charcoal and Mud Repair Mask. Oh, that's really cool. Targets signs of aging and detoxes. Sounds good. Is it a full size? No, it's 12.5 milliliters. I think, don't hit me with a rock, but I'm just gonna assume it is not a full size since 12.5 milliliters isn't exactly a lot. So, I mean, really, I really cannot open boxes up. Okay, empty. Oh, it's black. So this is what that little sucker looks like. I am so excited to give this a try. I will say, because it's so redonkulously small, whoa, I'm looking at the camera. Am I tilted like a little bit? The camera is not straight. It's like angled a little bit. Sorry if I'm tilted, but I'm already right in the middle of the video, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. You know how lazy I am. Anyway, moving on to this. I think that because it's so small, that this is going to be, I mean, look at the size of this big face, okay? I think this is just going to be enough for one usage, but I'm going to have to give it a try. So far, so good. I love this box, and we still have 3 more items to go. One is a cleansing foam from Omorovica, or Omorovica, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Oh, it's a mousse. Huh. I will have to read in the booklet, since it's a foam, and dry skin and foam don't go together. I can tell you that. Foam definitely makes sure that your dry skin dries out even more, and that's exactly what I don't want. So yeah, I have to read in the booklet whether or not I can use this for my particular skin tone, but we shall see. Very excited still, and y'all know I love cleansers, so I'm really happy that one is in there, especially if I can use it. Now, moving on to the ordinary hydrators and oils. This is hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, a hydration support formula, oh, thank you, with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic, wow, blah, can't speak, acid, 30 milliliters, so it's definitely a full size. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So this is what that, whoa, I got a hair, sorry, disgusting. Okay, so this is what that little box looks like. And wow, hey, I did not tear it, woohoo, yay for me. Okay, moving on to the item in here. Oh, it is beautiful. It is gorgeous. It's a glass bottle, but it's like a matte glass bottle. I wanted to say blottle. A matte glass bottle, and it looks like that, and it looks very medicine-y. I don't mind it, actually. Not that I like to use medicine, because I like to use as least as possible that I can. But it does have like this weird yet beautiful look to it. Honestly, I did mention that it was something, but I kind of forgot. Is this a serum or directions? Apply a few drops to face AM and PM before cream. So basically a serum, and you know what? I'm just gonna do a little, ooh, it's got like the, see, this glass drop, whoa, glass dropper inside. I'm just gonna do a little drop right there and just smear it out and see what happens. Doesn't really smell like anything, I'm just gonna be honest, which is good. Like it literally has like zero smell to it. It feels, whoa, whoa, okay. My skin definitely feels hydrated, like in this area right here, and it feels so redonkulously soft. Like I'm gonna go with 2 fingers, one where I put this stuff and one where I didn't. And when I do this, this one doesn't feel as soft as where I put it. Like this feels so soft. I cannot wait to try that out. And last but not least, this is, stay there. This is a little egg of some sort. Oh, right, it's the EOS lip balm, but as y'all know, I don't use lip balm. So I got the green one. I'm not really sure what that says. I think all of the lip balms are pretty much the same. Oh no, this is the Honeysuckle Honeydew, this little fella. And this is what that looks like. As you can see, completely sealed up. I'm not going to get it out of the seal either. I'm going to leave it in the seal, and I am going to give it away to one of you guys. And that is it, guys. The end of the box. Oh my God. This box has to be one of the best boxes ever in the history that I had the Lookfantastic box. I love this box. Every single thing is pretty much usable, except for me personally, the EOS balm, because I don't use lip balm, and I do have to check in the booklet whether or not, you know, people with dry skin can use this foam. If so, freaking amazing. I love this box, especially the Morphe, the Ordinary, and the Rituals, and actually the Smart. Wow, there's a lot of things that I genuinely love about this month's box. I don't know, it's amazing. If you don't have this box, what are you doing with your life? Get it before it's sold out. I don't know how it works with Lookfantastic, whether or not you're supposed to have a subscription or whether or not you could just order one particular box. Don't hit me with a rock because I don't know. Google it. You're smart enough. We have the internet. Google it. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to check out my giveaway. We are literally 2 subscribers away from giving away that box, and I have the giveaway, the next giveaway box right there. It's so much fuller than the other boxes, and in there is also a Tarte gloss. So you kind of don't want to miss out on my giveaways. So make sure we only need two more subscribers for this giveaway to end and the other one to start immediately afterwards. So I don't know, ask your friends, your grandma, your mother, your sister, your brothers, I don't know, ask somebody to subscribe, 2 subscribers, and we're done. And that also gives you an extra chance to win. I'd like to thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!